Well, I did mention that it goes into the bloodstream and it has a little mind of its own and seems to, hit the pain right away.
Yeah.
So I guess we did cover how
Can
it
I
works.
spray some of this on my
Sure.
forearm, or am I going to get into trouble? Or
No, where are you sore there?
no, but I am sore on my neck. Chronic pain.
Yeah, because if you're not sore, there it'll only feel wet.
Oh, okay. Well, let me squirt some of this.
Yeah, do you want me to do it?
Sure. Please, right there. C2 to C7. Oh.
There you go.
Thank you. So this is going to be absorbed by the blood or through the skin quite drastic, quite quickly.
Yeah, almost immediately.
Nice.
Most people do feel it almost right away. Some people say it takes a couple of minutes, but everybody's different.
So how long does the healing effect last?
It depends. Now, this is where the... here I'm saying I'm trying not to say
No, you can say
Oh, okay.
We're an crowd here.
Oh, good.
An Oz, and
Yeah,
that's okay. That's allowed.
We're good with Okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay, there's one. When I developed it, I wanted something that not only would work quickly, but would have lasting effects. Now, what this does now, and as a matter of fact, I didn't know how long it would last. So when I developed it, I tried it, and of course it worked on my knee. Now, I had mentioned that I'd been working in the sales and my knee had been so sore. Well, I tried it on my knee, and I was really lucky. When I first developed it, the first formulation worked. I never had to play with it after that.
Really?
Yeah. It was like take a little...
Yeah, but you did huge research though, right?
Yes, I did. And I put it on my knee that first night. I hadn't slept well in months because of the pain. And I put it on my knee and I had a great sleep that night, best I'd had in months. Woke up the next day. My knee was still a little sore, but not bad. Put it on my knee again, and I didn't have to use it again until this year. And that was probably at least 5 years ago.
No kid.
Yeah.
I'm feeling a little bit of a heat tingling, kind of like a warmth.
Yeah.
Is that?
Yeah.
It's neat.
Yeah, everybody sort of feels something different. Some people feel that warmth, that
Yeah.
you're feeling, that tingling sensation.
Yeah.
Some people, they just feel pain relief. They don't feel that. I have felt that pain relief. I've actually used it on my sciatica. And when I was working up in Greenwood, which is just outside of Midway where I had my farm, I was working for the newspaper up there creating ads. And I got up from my chair for lunch, and I couldn't move my left leg.
No.
I was, oh my gosh, what's happened? Well, fortunately, I had this with me, and I just put some on my sciatic nerve, and it was gone immediately. Walked across the street and picked up my stuff, my lunch. And
Well, I got to tell you, normally, being a chronic pain sufferer, if I'm looking at you like sideways, right now I would be in pain, and I don't have pain. I'm serious. Like, I would be uncomfortable, even with just taking a couple of gabapentin and a couple of T3s. I would still be very uncomfortable. But I'm not feeling. I'm feeling good. Like, isn't that strange?
it is.
Well, strange for me,
Yeah.
but not a surprise for you because you're the
No.
inventor of the product. You know
Yes.
how this is supposed to work.
Yes, and what I was told, and I didn't know this, I had a woman that used it on her arthritis, and she had diabetes as well, and her hands would swell to the point they would turn purple from the lack of circulation. And so she was using this probably for about 2 weeks, I guess, and then she phoned and told me. She says, this has an accumulatory effect. And I said, no. And she said, yeah.
That's bad for business, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. And I said, no. She said, yeah. She says, I started off using it maybe 2 or 3 times, maybe even more a day.
Yep.
She said, now I only need it once every 3 or 4 days.
Really?
Yeah, and she said in 5 minutes her hands are down to normal, almost normal.
Because my wife has arthritis on her knee and her hips so bad sometimes she can't go walking with me. I'm going to have to buy a bottle of this.